Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, one and only, original, authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no YouTube imposters, commentators, or trolls. And the iPad will no longer charge. It's partly because the home button has been broken for some time. So I'm going to post what videos I can, and then Friday, finally, it was paid for months ago, but I didn't have the money to send it off. I will send the iPad off for repair on Friday. So you won't see videos for about a week. And thank you to George Ballageorge for subscribing. All right, I just want to let people know after today, there won't be any videos because this has to be repaired. And of course, if my subscribers had supported me for the last 8 years financially every month, this wouldn't be a problem. I would have been able to insure my other iPad and gotten to replace it when it was stolen, and would have easily been able to repair this one. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Raining in Martinez today. Rain all week until Tuesday. So I don't go out in the rain usually, but I had to go check the mail. And that's what's going on. Stay wet, dry, cool, or warm as the case may be, and stay safe out there, and I'll catch you next time, and you'll see new videos after the ones I post next week, hopefully, probably the end of the week. Bye-bye for now.